Now, in this context, he also we need to understand the concept of Pachana and as well as Dipana. Okay, everybody knows that loss of appetite means it is somewhere directly related to the Dipana and Pachana. Okay, now first look into the Pachana. So Dipana word is usually used as a carminative. Pachana word is usually used as a digestive or one which is related to digestion and metabolism. One which is responsible for digestion and metabolism. Dipana is a carminative. Okay, it is inducing. Now this Pachana is one among the 7 types of Shamana Upakrama. We know that. Na shodayati yad doshan samanyo udirayatyapihi samīkaroti vishaman shamanam tacha saptadaha. There are 7 types of Shamana Chikitsa. It includes Dipana, Pachana, Shut, Trud, Vyayama, Atapa and Maruta. Then when they say further, Pachantam Agnim Pratipaksha Kshapanena Baladhanena Cha Yat Pachayati Tat Pachanam Tacha Vayu Agni Guna Bhuishtam. This is what is Chakrapani is telling. Pachana is the one which is increasing the body Agni. Pratipaksha Kshapanena Baladhanena Yat Pachayati Tat Pachanam. So that means Pachana is that drug, that process where body Agni is increased and through which the digestion and metabolism will be proper. Tacha Vayu Agni Guna Bhuishtam. So it is predominantly Pachana drugs are predominantly Vayu and Agni Guna Bhuishtam to increase the Agni. Another reference from Chakrapani says that Tatra Pachanam Kriyate Tatravashyam Stokamatrayaha Langanamapi Kriyata Iti Darshayati. Pachana kale hi yadi brahmanam kriyate tadha brahmanogno pratikulana pachanam na syat ityartha. So this is another reference. Pachana kale hi yadi brahmanam kriyate tadha brahmano magne pratikulena pachanam na syat ityartha. Now agni pachati tasya pachato ye vibandha hetavaha तान्निषिध्य पाटवः पक्तुराद्यतः पचेति प्रयुक्त इव तत् पाचनम इति. This is another definition for पाचनम उच्यते. Okay, यद उपयुक्त अन्नम पानम औषधम अपक्वानां सामानां धातूनां पाचने समर्थः तत् पाचनम इत्यर्थः. This is told by Aruna Datta. So here he is extending the version of Pachana. Pachana means it is able to digest and metabolize the upayukta aushada or ahara, anupayukta ahara, upayukta, yad upayukta, yes, it is able to digest the upayukta, that is one which is good for the body, upayukta, anna, pana, aushada, etc. And even it is able to digest the apakwanam, samanam, the sama which is present in the dosha dhatu level, which is apakwa. So that is also sama which is present in the dhatu level, which is apakwa, that will be also get digested and metabolized by the pachana. Samanam dhatunam pachane samartha tat pachanam ityartha. Similarly, pachayati iti pachanam pachato agne paktuhu shaktimadikam yad utpadayati tad dravyam kriya va pachanam uchyate tatha yatha Langanam Mustadiva. Now this is told by Aruna Datta again. What he says? Pachayati iti pachanam. One which is responsible for pachana, that is called as pachana dravya. Pachato agne praktum shaktimadikam yad utpadayati tad dravyam kriyava. That means the drug which is able to produce more and more pachana kriya, okay, by increasing the agni. That means drug should be able to increase the agni first. When agni is increased, pachana kriya is increased. Tadravyam kriya va pachana muchate. For example, musta. Musta is ama pachana. Now musta by its property, it is increasing the body agni, and through that body agni, ama pachana is happening. Okay, so these are some references given for the pachana. Now let us consider this in the context of appetite. So we have got Arochaka, we have taken a class. It means Arochaka, Ananabilasha, etc. And we have also seen the classical references related to Pachana. So now we shall see the related aspects of that.